Seed sisters in the garden. Seed sisters in the garden. Seed sisters in the garden.
Hello, I'm in the kitchen and I'm getting ready to make a decoction out of our Breathe Easy decoction roots. What is a decoction? A decoction is the reducing down of a water-based preparation to get the best out of all of the herbal compounds that are at the moment within these roots. With an infusion, you steep the herb in water for 10 minutes and strain it off. With a decoction, we use it for some of the more tougher plant material like roots, berries, seeds. And today we're going to be looking at how to make a decoction from these 3 roots: the marshmallow, licorice and the Elecampane. So there we are. After about 10 minutes or so, a delicious rooty cup of Breathe Easy decoction.
Seed sisters